I'm at this brand spanking showroom called Center of Excellence here in Mumbai, and it's actually a home automation showroom envisioned by ITS. Now, ITS has been in this industry for more than 20 years, so they know a thing or two about home automation. But what exactly is home automation and what does it entail? I too have a lot of questions just like you do, and in this video, we are going to answer all of them, so keep watching. Only a handful of spaces in the country have a fully functional home automation system on display and live demo. At the Center of Excellence, you not only get to touch, feel, and experience all the tech in action, but also learn about how it all works. What makes a home a dream home? For some, it could be a bedroom with an ocean view. For some, it could be a penthouse with a bustling city view. But it's 2021. And the first step in making a dream home really a dream is to make it smart. I'm at the Center of Excellence today, and these guys really know how to make your home a smart home. And this is a remote from Savant with me. Although it looks like a regular universal remote, it does a lot more. It controls your lighting, controls your moods, well, not your moods, your house's moods. It can also control your AV system, your security systems, and a whole lot more. So I'm just going to sit back, relax, and show you how smart your home can get. The three main pillars of any home automation system are security, lighting, and entertainment. ITS and its partner brands have outfitted the Center of Excellence with state-of-the-art examples of each pillar. The living room setup, for example, has LED lights that can be controlled via a touchpad, your voice, or the Savant Pro remote. In fact, Savant forms the backbone of everything that ITS does. And here at the Center of Excellence, you can really experience the ease of use and intuitive controls that the Savant home automation system offers. Contrary to popular belief, you can retrofit some amount of basic automation even in an existing home. The Bluetooth lamps in the sitting area of the Center of Excellence can easily be installed in any lampshade of your choice and can be controlled via the Savant system. A little magic never hurts, and that's probably what is expected from a bespoke system like this. The art screen from Milan Screens lifts up to reveal the perfect widescreen canvas for the ultra short throw projector, which by the way is also hidden from view when not in use, all at the touch of a button or a voice command. Complementing the visuals, Artisan in-wall speakers along with Artisan Nano wireless subwoofers make for a discrete audio system. But again, if you want to retrofit great sound to your existing room, the Studio soundbar allows you to customize its grille color to match your decor. It also features the left, center, and right channels all in a single chassis, making it quite a fuss-free add-on.
This Center of Excellence will be a big boost to this whole untapped kind of a market where people are still under the impression that it's like everybody feels that this is something where it's a luxury market without understanding the basics of automation. So yeah, this kind of excellence in things are required for the future.
So as much as the Center of Excellence is a place to get wowed, it's also a place to get trained. All the knowledge that you require to program, to spec, and to configure a system like this, be it for the interior designers, for the architects, or even the end consumer, if you're a bit of a nerd, you can learn everything under one roof at this training center at the Center of Excellence. Also, if you're working from home and you need a high quality teleconferencing setup, they have a solution for that as well. To ensure minimal distraction and maximum immersion during a group voice call, the high resolution wide angle camera is paired with completely invisible speakers, again from Artisan. The sound surface, as they are called, can either be mounted behind the wallpaper or even outdoors behind various materials. Again, the options to integrate audio, video, and automate the two are almost limitless at the Center of Excellence. To complete any smart home experience, it's important to have a great home theater experience, right? And here at the Center of Excellence, they do things a little bit differently. So the screen from Milan Screens is a 4-way masking screen, and that means regardless of the aspect ratio you have or the content quality that you have, this screen is equipped to play it in the best possible manner. Of course, it has a Dolby Atmos system with speakers from Artisan Audio. You have these great and comfortable recliners that can actually remember the memory that you prefer and exactly the position that you like to watch your movies in, which I'm doing right now. All this can be integrated with a Savant home automation system, and you can use it with just one fingertip. Inside the purpose-built home cinema, the 4-way masking screen from Milan takes center stage. It allows any projector to display content in its native aspect ratio without the distracting black bars. The room also gets a 7.2.2 Dolby Atmos speaker system, again from Artisan, and everything is powered by Storm audio amplifiers. ITS being a solution provider, you'll also find nifty little gadgets like this custom switch from Lutron that allows users to program their most often used functions for quick access. Things like volume and light control, for example.
It is open for all. That is why we call it a center of excellence. We don't call it a showroom. We don't call it a demo center or an experience center.
I think the way it is totally integrated is the best part about it. I think the way they have managed to get all their products seamlessly integrated and give the user an experience of a smart home is what I think is awesome about this place.
More than the place, it's the people behind it, and the job that they've done is just absolutely wonderful. Neat looking place.
So I like the whole place. I like how it's designed by Mahesh sir. I think these guys have put in a lot of effort, Ashish and Milan. So have I. So I think the whole place has come up very together. So there is not one point that I can point to that this is nice. I think overall the place has come out really nice.
Passion behind it. There's a passion and the perseverance behind it that really sticks up. And the no fear attitude. Like, let's do it. Let's do it. It's that stands out, and I think that will really go a long way. So yes, that would be fun.
As a one-stop shop for complete home automation and home theater solutions, ITS is fully equipped to make your dreams come true. And the Center of Excellence is where you can see those dreams manifested as reality.